Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically change the frame rate on CapCut PC. So you can either go to modify first, go to frame rate, and you can change the FPS here. I have mine on 60. Press save. And for instance, when you want to export, you can also change the frame rate as well. Go to export here and select video, of course. And then in frame rate, you can select the frame rate per second. Then just select the export tab. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I hope you're able to change the frame rate on your CapCut PC app. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.